Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today, or this video is meant to show you how to continue or do a finishing on a fishing line that ended. As you can see, it's a continuation from a previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please go to our videos and check it out on how to make a Kenyan bracelet. So on this end, our fishing line is almost done. So this is how we do so that you can be able to continue with your artwork. You take the fishing line on the right side, you take it back to the white bead and you pull it down, and the one on the left side you take it to and put it through the green bead and you pull it down to make something like that. Then you continue the one on the right side, you take it through the white bead and you pull it. I hope we all have something like that. Then you continue the same process. You're just winding it so that it can be concealed and also strong, so that when someone gets to that joint it won't be able to open up. You repeat the same process. I hope you can see what we're doing. Basically what we're doing is we're trying to put the fishing line through on the back side to the farthest end that they can get to, but by going through several corners so that we can make it more firm and strong, so that when you add your extension it won't open up when someone is putting it on. When someone is putting on the bracelet will be as strong as possible. As you can see, we have covered some distance, and that is how our fishing line looks like. You can see that's how it looks like after you've gone through for some while. You can as well decide to continue if you feel that it's not strong enough, but from our end, as you can see, it looks strong. So you can proceed and cut the fishing line at the very bottom so that it won't be able to be seen. We want to make neat work so that someone can't be able to see. So you take your nail cutter and at the very bottom, at the very edge, you snip it, you cut it out so that you can have a clean cut, and you repeat the same on the other end of the fishing line so that you can have a clean cut. You pull it and cut it at the very bottom, so you end up having something like this. This is the shield for the Kenyan flag. So now how do you continue, someone might ask. You take another fishing line, you cut it at approximately 12 inches. Then with one end you take the previous work, the shield. Then from the bottom on the green you take your fishing line through on one green bead, and this is how it looks like. When you put it through, you pull it so that you make sure always your fishing line is balanced like this on both ends should look like that. And then it's gone through the one green bead. So now you take the green beads from the right side, then you that's one bead. You can add another one from the right side as well, so that there are two beads. Then you take a green bead from the left side and then you crisscross with the one on the left side. That is one. This is the same procedure that we've been using on the making the bracelets. And then you pull it. So guys, I hope everyone has got something that looks like this. If you don't, please start again until you have something that looks like that. Thank you. Looks like that. Then you just continue with the same procedure that we've been doing. If you haven't checked the procedure on how to make a bracelet, kindly check our previous videos on how to make a bracelet, and you'll see how we continue. So don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel, share with your friends and everyone who wants to learn how to make beadwork. And you can also, on the comment section below, tell us what you'd love to see next, and we will help you. You can also check our Instagram page at stike_arts and landscaping, where we would see more of the products that we make. You can also place your order there, and we'll be able to make it and ship it anywhere. Thank you. See you on the next video.